Time for another sensory story, and this one is perfect for summer. Under the Sea. And just like all of my sensory stories, is suitable for all ages and stages. We start off with a bit of training, what is a sensory story and how to tell a sensory story. And then we go into the sensory story menu with ideas on resources and actions to help you read the story in a rich multisensory way. Let's get started. A starfish soaking in rock pools. We dip this brush in warm water and brush it on their hand. A starfish soaking in rock pools. And if they can tolerate it, on their palm. A starfish soaking in rock pools. A snapping crab scuttles sideways. I've got a castanet and I've popped googly eyes on it. A snapping crab scuttles sideways. A transparent jellyfish pulsing slowly by. A transparent jellyfish pulsing slowly by. Wow. A big blue whale sprays at the surface. Water spray bottle. These misting bottles are great. A big blue whale sprays at the surface. An octopus's 8 tentacles twist around and around. An octopus's 8 tentacles twist around and around. Shimmering silvery fish zipping and zooming. Shimmering silvery fish zipping and zooming. A slippery squid jets past, leaving a trail of ink. Now you can use treacle or chocolate sauce or Marmite for this one. A slippery squid jets past, leaving a trail of ink. A slippery squid jets past, leaving a trail of ink. A prickly pufferfish with defensive spikes. A prickly pufferfish, ow, with defensive spikes. A coral reef, a living and vibrant ecosystem. And you just pop a variety of textured and coloured balls and items on a tray so it's varied and bright and vibrant. A coral reef, a living and vibrant ecosystem. Bioluminescence glowing in the depths below. We're lucky enough to have a UV light in our sensory room. If you don't, then these UV torches work brilliantly. And what I do to end the story is I turn the torch on and explore lots of UV items. That could be neon face paints, UV tubes, or any sort of UV resources, and just give them time to explore. Story has finished. If you think your learners would benefit from learning about Under the Sea in this lovely sensory way, then head to the link in the description where you can purchase this story and a whole load of others linked to my sensory curriculum.